Mint. Got Coke and Mentos. By the way, I just got a new haircut. Okay. So, I don't know. How do I put this? Well, okay. So you guys see? Do I use? Okay, wait. I got the bowl. Then we got the Coke. Then let's see what will happen. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Eh? What the? What? Wow, okay. So I just made a juice. Sick. It just exploded right here.
Tikman mo na. Tikman mo lang kami. Ano, okay na? O, matutulog pa natin.
Okay na po.
Ay, po.
We're trying to doing it again. I don't know why I want it to explode. Oh, it's at the bottom. Oh my. It's impossible to get it out. No. How do I get it out? Do I have to pour this? Okay. I think I have to pour it, then take out the Mentos. Okay. Put the Coke again. Oh, I put the Coke back again. Let's do another one, since I want to do it. Guys, roll. Roll. Sick. Oh. Good. Put the Coke back. Oh. Sick.
Ano na, Ate? Bakit sinayang mo lang yung coco?
Hindi po. Ayan po po. Tumabog yung kahaw. Aba.